Package dimensions: 40.64 cms, L, by 5.08 cms, W, x 0.64 cms, H. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I installed this in my 2007 Honda Pilot. I had the base model radio. The only extra I needed was adapters to connect the FM modulator to the antennas. Honda uses a separate type of wire that does not look like the normal plug-in. Everything fits nicely in the dash, and I mounted the switch and plug underneath the auxillary outlet next to my ashtray. It was a very clean installation. The product works perfectly with no interference from exterior FM sources. I did not notice any excessive static or background noise. It looks very well built and I am extremely happy. Before this I had a regular FM transmitter which would fade in and out depending on your location and which radio station was broadcasting. This was very frustrating when traveling. On my last road trip, which involved driving for 6 hours and passing through several cities, I had no problem with this product and it played music from my MP3 player or my wife's Ipod without any problems. I would recommend this to a friend.